Have you ever wondered how companies know if their mobile apps work properly before millions of people download them? Every day, thousands of new apps are released for Android and iPhone users around the world. But before these apps reach the public, developers need real people to test them. Why? Because no matter how good a developer is, software can still contain bugs, broken features, confusing menus, or problems that only real users will notice. That's where app testers come in. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a platform called Testerwork and explain how mobile app testing works, what app testers do, how the application process works, and what you should know before getting started. This video is for educational purposes. Project availability, acceptance, and compensation vary depending on your location, qualifications, device, and the platform's current needs. Always review the official platform information before applying. Now, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is mobile app testing? Every app used today has probably gone through multiple rounds of testing before it became available. Think about apps like banking apps, shopping apps, food delivery apps, educational apps, or social media platforms. Before they're released, companies want to know, does this app open correctly? Does every button work? Can users complete important tasks? Are there any crashes? Is the app easy to use? Does it work on different phones? And yeah, basically, to answer these questions, companies invite real people to test their applications. App testing helps developers identify problems before customers experience them. Instead of relying on an automated testing, companies also want feedback from real users because people interact with apps in a different way. Now, imagine spending months building a mobile application only to discover that launch that users can't log in. Okay, so basically when you're launching the app and you notice that a whole lot of people cannot log in, or the payment page doesn't work, or the app crashes every few minutes, yeah, basically problems like this can lead to poor reviews, lost customers, and reduced revenue. Testing before release help companies avoid these issues. That's why businesses hire testing platforms that connect them with people using different devices, operating systems, languages, and internet connections. This allows developers to see how their applications perform under real-world conditions. One platform that connects testers with software testing opportunities is Testerwork. Testerwork works with companies that need feedback on their website, mobile applications, and software products. Depending on the project, contributors may receive invitations to test applications, report bugs, verify fixes, complete specific testing scenarios, or provide usability feedback. Not every tester receives every project. Opportunities depend on several factors, including your country, the devices you own, your operating system, the testing profile, and the needs of each project. Let's imagine a company has developed a new food delivery application. Before releasing it to the public, they want to make sure everything works correctly. As a tester, you may receive instructions such as you need to download the application, create an account, log in, browse restaurants, add food to your cart, attempt to complete checkout, test notifications, switch between Wi-Fi and Google data, try different screen sizes. If something doesn't work correctly, you document the issue. For example, perhaps the app crashes when opening the menu. Maybe a button doesn't respond, maybe text overlaps on small screens, perhaps images fail to load. Your responsibility is to carefully produce the issue and provide clear information that helps developers understand the problem. This is very crucial, and this is basically why they pay you. The clearer your report, the easier it is for developers to fix the issue. Now, what are basically the devices that are needed? Many testing projects require specific devices. Some projects may need Android devices, others may require iPhones. Occasionally, tablets or desktop computers may also be needed. Having multiple devices may increase the number of projects you're eligible for, but it's not always required. Different projects also support different operating system versions. Keeping your device information updated on your profile is important because companies often look for testers with specific hardware and software combinations. One of the nice things about app testing is that it focuses on observations and attention to detail. Helpful skills include reading instructions carefully, following testing steps exactly, communicating clearly, writing organized bug reports, being patient, paying attention to small details, testing features methodically, problem solving, and yeah, basically, previous software testing experience can also be helpful, but some projects are suitable for newcomers who are willing to learn and follow instructions carefully. If you're interested in exploring app testing opportunities, visit the official Tester Work website right now, create a profile, complete your profile, add accurate information about your devices, include your operating systems, provide any requested testing experience. You may also be asked to complete onboarding activities or qualification tests depending on the type of project available. Take your time, read the instructions carefully, and you need to understand that accuracy matters a whole lot here than speed. Now, before applying, remember a few important points. Project availability changes over time. Acceptance into the platform does not guarantee regular work. Some projects are limited to certain countries or devices. Compensation varies depending on the project and its requirements. Always rely on official platforms' information rather than exaggerated claims you can see online. Legitimate remote work opportunities generally require consistency, professionalism, and attention to detail. As mobile apps continue to grow across industries, companies will continue to look for real users to help improve the software before it reaches millions of customers. Platforms like TesterWork give qualified contributors the opportunity to participate in software testing projects while gaining experience with real-world technology products. If you're interested in remote work, technology, freelancing, software testing, or digital skills, app testing is an area worth learning more about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about legitimate remote work opportunities, AI, freelancing, technology, careers, online jobs, and digital skills. And let me know in the comments, would you enjoy testing mobile app before they release to the public? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.